Okay, we here at the train station. There's this big one. Look at that. It's huge. And you can feel the trains here. It's cool, huh? Oh, keep it slow.
Yeah, you have like 4 of them. You can go on.
You can check one train coming here. Oh, slow, steady, no shakes. Three trains. You walk slowly.
Put this around your shoulder.
Here. I know,
It's for you to hold it while he's filming.
big train. Chairs.
Oh, great.
Telephones. There's what? Okay, yeah. And you can zoom in that.
You're filming the ground here. Yeah. Here.
You zoom in slowly. This one I could show, not for copyright. It's gonna be arriving at, I think it's gonna be arrive like in, oh.
You see it 905 here.
Yeah. And TV I'm not sure at. Just gonna look at LG.
You can look at the TV left.
No, I don't have to, no. To be back like somehow, huh?
People leaving. Arrival.
Oh.
Oh, she'll be there in 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. In Quebec or Toronto?
9:21 it says, I think.
20:55.
Ooh, escalator's moving. I like that. What? I'm filming because of the look. I'm joking. Okay.
Is it lower level?
It's an escalator, Noah. Look. It's moving, but that one's going up. Noah. Okay.
Send anything?
Clock is moving. Hey Noah.
Yeah?
Look at the numbers, they're moving. You see that? What?
You can go and do the
You can look at things here and everything when you're left, okay? Or you can come follow Papa.
Yeah.
Alright. Watch the clock moving. In a second. About 4 minutes. And Noah. He's gonna move her. There we go. Now look. Look at this. Do you like that? It still works. It's a machine. Staffs. I'm not gonna look everywhere. Chairs. Noah. Hi.
Alright.
Hi, Noah.
Wi-Fi. Cool.
You got Wi-Fi? Ooh. This is a restaurant. And these are the telephones right there. I like these telephones.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always out. Look at this long hall.
Scale.
So what do you think of this train station, Noah? Is it cool? Noah?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Wait.
Fire hole. Yeah? Ooh, baggages. I like that. But it's closed. This machine.
Say you don't step.
Yeah, don't step on it. Because of danger. And Noah, we have a vending machine, Noah. We got a lot of drinks to drink for you, UJ. And Caranjuela and Jim Lee Elevator. Here. Nope. No coin. I like that vending machine. Ooh, and now I'll have automatic doors. No, it does not. Oh, the light is buzzing. No, look. This one is. You hear that buzz? Oh, it's coming any minute. Here. No elevator is at the train station. Good to get a better view than people walking around in this place. You can look at things. Oh, stop. Bye. Front desk. Plastic bags. Good, Papa?
Yeah.
What do you think, Papa? The train station, is it cool?
Very cool. We're waiting for Mama. She's
Yeah.
kind of late. And she will come from there. There. So if you want, you can film.
I'm filming the clock, see it moving.
Trains in the subway.
Nope, clock's not moving. Okay. Oh, I just missed it. I think Mom's gonna come over there, right? I'm taking a 360.
Because privacy.
Papa. Papa. I'm taking a 360 slow. Just look. How's this big train station?
Too slow, go faster.
I'm doing it slow.
Ah,
No, no. Okay. Here's Papa. There's Noah.
Oh wow.
I'm not sure what this is. Yep, alright. That was a 360. Oh!
What's the floor like?
There, now it's moving. I see it. Oh, there goes the train.
Yeah, no one is coming. What?
I think Diesel Lucy likes trains. It's dedicated to you.
Cool.
Yeah. Seen that video how trains for Diesel Lucy Noah, right?
Did you see? It's a new.
No, he's good.
No, guns is bad. Don't even make guns.
Yeah. But putting gas is good. And yeah, Noah. Oh, there's Walmart. Focus. There's a cleaner thing. I'm not gonna show their face. Like a cleaner thing.
What?
There's a cleaner car.
You're filming the floor.
Yeah, I'm filming Walmart. No, look all the way. Look, Walmart.
There's Walmart over
Yeah,
there.
can you see it?
Zoom in.
Don't want to make it focus.
Zoom in more. More.
Till here.
More. No, the maximum.
Okay.
All the way. Walmart.
Yeah. Alright, you zoom out. You like the cleaner cart? Yeah. It's right here. Yeah, I'm filming the cart, Noah.
You're filming it for
Yeah. Like this, Noah. Look, Noah, like this.
Nah.
Man, Noah. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, alright.
Wait, Leia.
Gate
Can I try
1.
something?
Gate 2.
Try something.
Yeah?
Flip it. Wait.
Turn it around. You turn around. Hi. Alright.
Turn the screen around.
Yeah, I turned the screen already. Alright, I'm filming it one more time on cart.
You're filming the floor.
Yeah, really well. Ah, no, I'm filming the floor. Oh,
You're super suspicious.
what, Noah?
You're looking super suspicious.
Noah is suspicious. Noah, zooming on a Noah. Right here.
Oh, hey. Cameras.
You know, cameras. Oh, is it coming back? Arriving at
2119.
2119. Yeah, I already seen that. Emergency exit. And yeah. Taxi things. Yeah, I don't film their face because they're not acceptable. Some movies, but it's very uncomfortable. Yeah. Yeah, Noah? What is it?
Film the wheelchair.
Oh, film the wheelchair. Don't forget that. Forgot the vending machine on that side far away.
Oh yeah.
So when Ma comes upstairs at the escalator or something, it's G2. G2 escalator.
Zoom in.
Of it.
More.
Don't want to make it focus.
Here, can I try? Wait.
Here we go. G2. Yeah, I was joking. Ooh. Got 4 batteries left, so Moa will be anytime here.
He's filming.
You filming the ground?
Yeah, I'm filming the
Is it
ground.
paused?
No, it's still playing. Yeah.
Pause it.
Oh, pause it. Okay.
You like
Like what?